Experience the ultimate convenience of Bagan Sena apartment, ideally located in Butterworth, Penang. The owner even mentioned walking to Penang Central for ferry and train services, showcasing the excellent connectivity of this area. This mixed community predominantly features a Chinese population, offering a low-density living environment with just 12 units on one floor. Nestled on level 7, this unit spans 818 square feet and comprises 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Delight in the breathtaking view of Penang Island from your balcony, while enjoying the cool breeze that sweeps through the apartment. Recently renovated, this unit is outfitted with grills, plaster ceilings, a modern kitchen, and bathroom. As a bonus, the lucky buyer will receive 2 air conditioners, a refrigerator, and a washing machine. Embrace the harmonious feng shui with the balcony facing west and the door facing east. Take advantage of the on-site swimming pool for relaxation, with a manageable maintenance fee of 150 Malaysian ringgit. For your convenience, the unit includes 2 access cards, 1 car parking space, and 1 motorcycle parking spot. With motorcycle parking on the ground floor and car park on the first floor, convenience is at your fingertips. Own a slice of paradise in Butterworth for just 270,000 Malaysian ringgit. Contact us today to arrange a viewing and let us help you make this apartment your new home. Plus, enjoy no real estate agent fees as we assist in arranging loans and legal matters for you. Your dream home awaits.